Unit 15. Chemical Reaction. Lesson 15. Chemical Reaction and Chemical Equation. Everything around us changes with time. During such changes, one form of substances are changed into another form. In our daily life we observe many changes around us. Physical change. The temporary and usually reversible change in which no new substances are formed is called physical change. The chemical composition of the substance remains the same, but only the physical properties like state, color, speed, motion, etc. are changed. Chemical change. The permanent change in which new substances having different properties are formed and is irreversible is called chemical change. Chemical changes are undergoing in nature. Due to chemical changes that take place in our surroundings. Characteristics of chemical change. Chemical change is a permanent change. It is an irreversible change. New substances are formed in chemical change. Physical properties, chemical properties and chemical composition are changed. Chemical reaction and chemical equation. The combination, decomposition, displacement or exchange of atoms or molecules during a chemical change is called chemical reaction. The chemical reaction can be expressed in terms of an equation. The equation used to represent a chemical reaction is called chemical equation. Essentials of chemical equations. It should represent an actual chemical change which is practically possible. It should be balanced, i.e. the total number of atoms of elements in a reactant on the left-hand side should be equal to the total number of atoms of some elements on the product on the right-hand side. Limitations of a chemical equation. Heat is given out or absorbed during the chemical reaction. The condition under which the chemical reaction takes place. The physical states of substances concerned. Method for balancing a chemical equation. The total number of atoms of different elements of the reactants must be equal to the number of same type of atoms in products. A balanced chemical equation is one which contains an equal number of atoms of each element in reactants and products. Catalyst. A catalyst is a substance which alters the rate of a chemical reaction, but is not consumed by the reaction. Positive catalysy. The catalyst which increases the rate of chemical reaction is called a positive catalyst. Negative catalysy. The catalyst which decreases the rate of chemical reaction is called negative catalyst. Endothermic and exothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. The chemical reaction which absorbs heat from surrounding is called as endothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Some reactions take place when two or more substances are brought together and they generate heat. The chemical reaction in which heat is released to the surroundings is called exothermic reaction.